We're discussing that under the system of apartheid, it was the blacks who were the natives of South Africa who suffered a lot during under this system. So in this page, you will see two pictures, picture one and picture two. The picture one is showing you a signboard where a danger sign is written, and it's been written here that the natives, Indians, and the coloreds they are not permitted to enter in this area. Okay, similarly, in picture 2, this is a signboard in the city of Durban under section 37 of the Durban Beach bylaws. It states that this Durban Beach area is reserved for the white race group. That means only the white race people could enter this beach. The natives and the other people who were living in South Africa, they were not allowed to enter the Durban beach. So this is how segregation was done, separation was done. Okay, so different areas were meant for different people. Blacks, for the blacks, there were different areas. For the whites, there were different areas. Okay, and the areas where the white people entered, the coloreds and the blacks were not allowed to enter there. Okay, so we know that this system was not right. Okay, so a lot of a fight or struggle started against the system of apartheid. So we can say that somewhere around 1950, these blacks living in South Africa, in fact, even the coloreds and the Indians also started this struggle against the apartheid system. That means they started to fight against the system of apartheid. उनीहरूले आफ्नो यो सिस्टमको अगेन्स्टमा यो डिस्क्रिमिनेसनको अगेन्स्टमा उनीहरूले आवाज उठाउन थाल्यो, फाइट गर्नु थाल्यो. Okay, so for this they launched different kind of protest marches and strikes. So time and again उनीहरूले प्रोटेस्टहरू गर्यो, okay, स्ट्राइक्सहरू लन्च गर्यो, okay, to pressurize the government to stop this policy of apartheid. Okay, and जति पनि यो protest marches या स्ट्राइक्सहरू भयो, यो struggle भयो, it was mainly done under the umbrella of this organization which was called the African National Congress, okay, ANC. Okay, as we have already given discussed about it in brief. So African National Congress, which became a very important political party, it became the main organization under whom different kind of struggle against this policy of segregation, yeah, this apartheid ko against different kind of jati pani struggle भयो, fights भयो, protest marches भयो, strikes भयो, they were all conducted, or it was led by this political party that is called the African National Congress. Okay, in this Congress, we had many worker unions, okay, and even the members of the Communist Party. Okay, and even the white people who were very sensitive towards the blacks, okay, the cause of the blacks or the other people, like जो white people also जो चाहिँ एकदमै who felt that this apartheid system was not right. Okay, even they joined this ANC in this kind of struggle. Okay, they also opposed or they also raised their voice against apartheid, and they also played a very important role in this struggle. Okay, and many countries around the world उनीहरूले पनि apartheid system denounce गर्यो. Okay, they call the system as unjust and racist. It is a racist यहाँनिर raceमा divide गर्दैछ नि people लाई. Okay, so as we have read earlier, apartheid system मा के हुँदैछ, एउटा certain race लाई चाहिँ inferior हो है, ब्ल्याक्सहरूलाई, कलर्डहरू चाहिँ उनीहरू विक रेस हो भनेर के गर्दैछ, देखाउँदैछ. सो दिस इज नट जस्ट भनेको यो चाहिँ के होइन, राम्रो होइन. इट इज नट ट्रिटिङ एभ्री वान इक्वली. सो different countries around the world, they began to criticize the government of South Africa, calling it a very unjust and a racist kind of government. Okay, but the white racist government, they continued to not listen to all these people. They continued to suppress all this kind of fights that were going on, all the strikes that were happening. त्यसलाई उनीहरूले suppress गर्ने कोसिस गर्यो. They tortured people, they killed thousands of blacks and colored people. Okay, and many important leaders like Nelson Mandela, okay, they were arrested and they were thrown into the prison in Robben Island. Okay, but this the struggle continued for a very long time. It was much later, okay, after a very long time, after many kind of protests, many kind of struggles, international pressure जब build हुँदै गयो, only then the government of South Africa, they realized that अब चाहिँ यस्तो प्रकारले ब्ल्याक्सहरूलाई रिप्रेस गरेर उनीहरूलाई सप्रेस गरेर उनीहरूले रुल गर्नु चाहिँ सक्दैन. ओके, दिस इज नट गोइङ टु ह्यापन, or it is not going to last for a very long time. ओके, र फाइनली द वाइट रेजिमले के गर्यो, आफ्नो पोलिसिजहरूलाई उनीहरूले चेन्ज गर्नु थाल्यो है, र जति पनि डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी लज थियो है त्यसलाई रिपिल गर्यो. द्याट मिन्स जति पनि डिस्क्रिमिनेसन गर्ने जुन चाहिँ लजहरू थियो त्यो सबै के गरिदियो उनीहरूले अब स्टप गरिदियो, त्यसलाई हटाउनु थाल्यो. ओके, जति पनि पोलिटिकल पार्टिजहरूलाई ब्यान गरेको थियो, जति मिडियामाथि पुरा रेस्ट्रिक्सन्सहरू लगाएको थियो होइन, मिडिया लाइक न्युज पेपर्स, न्युज च्यानल्सहरूमाथि रेस्ट्रिक्सन्सहरू लगाएको थियो. दे कुड नट राइट एनिथिङ अगेन्स्ट द गभर्मेन्ट, राइट. सो अल दिस काइन्ड अफ रेस्ट्रिक्सन्सहरू उनीहरूले लिफ्ट गर्यो. एन्ड द वाइट गभर्मेन्ट, दे बिग्यान टु realize that now the time has come to change their policies, change their system. Okay, and like Nelson Mandela and many other leaders who were arrested and sent to prison, these people were also freed from the imprisonment. Okay, so just the Nelson Mandela, Robben Island, my life imprisonment दिएको थियो. So he was also released from the prison as a free man. Okay, and finally we can see that on 26th April 1994, South Africa was born as a newly democratic country. Okay, and the apartheid government जुन चाहिँ थियो त्यहाँनिर त्यो के भयो, it came to an end, and a new government which was based on a multi-race, okay, a government जहाँनिर चाहिँ different races जुन चाहिँ छ साउथ अफ्रिकामा बस्ने, the blacks, the whites, the colored, they all together formed a government of a new democratic South Africa. ओके, एन्ड जति पनि जुन चाहिँ पहिलाको जुन चाहिँ त्यो पार्टी थियो जसले चाहिँ सप्रेस गरेको थियो है, द पार्टी द्याट रुल्ड थ्रु ओप्रेसन, द्याट इज द वाइट गभर्मेन्ट, एन्ड इभन द पार्टी द्याट लेड द फ्रिडम स्ट्रगल है, द पार्टी द्याट इज द ANC, African National Congress, जुन चाहिँले चाहिँ फ्रिडम स्ट्रगल लिड गरेको थियो, दिज पिपल, द्याट मिन्स बोथ ब्ल्याक्स एन्ड वाइट्स, दे sat together to make a new constitution for a democratic South Africa. And after 2 years of working rigorously on making the constitution of South Africa, finally they were able to make a constitution which became an example for the rest of the world. Okay, so उनीहरूले यस्तो खालको constitution बनायो. Okay, the blacks and the whites together, they decided to forgive each other. They decided to forget whatever has happened in the past and look into the future of a better South Africa. र उनीहरूले मिलेर they made such a constitution which became an example for the rest of the world. So your constitutionally, Noya constitutionally, South Africa citizens, each and every citizens, okay, not just the blacks or the colors, even the whites, जो चाहिँ पहिला के थियो oppressive government थियो, even they were given an equal opportunity. Okay, so rights were given to every kind of citizens. Okay, and this is how South Africa became a model of democracy for the rest of the world. All right, so this is what is there in this first topic that we were discussing. Okay, so if you see throughout this topic towards a new constitution, this discussion that we just did has been described here. And the South African constitution, it inspires many democrats all over the world. Okay, so it became an example for the rest of the world. Okay, and it's been an inspiring model for every democratic country. Okay, so whatever struggle that Nelson Mandela and many other people who struggled against apartheid, whatever sacrifices they made, ultimately all those sacrifices, it bore a very good results by making South Africa a democratic country.